Halo guys, kembali lagi channel Bang Tika. Kali ini kita akan ke Langsa, Aceh Timur untuk kusuk badan karena ada teman kita yang sakit. Siapakah dia? Ya, salah. Yang betul adalah Bed Hyundai. Oke guys, sebelum kita pergi kusuk, apa-apa aja yang perlu kita bawa? Yang pertama adalah celana bola ya guys. Jadi biar lapang sedikit kita pas kusuk. Yang kedua adalah kain sarung. Jadi udah kita pakai tanah bola, pakai kain sarung lagi biar sopan sedikit karena kadang kok lagi rame banyak penontonnya ya kan. Malu juga kita. Nampak bulu-bulu kaki kita ya kan. Jadi guys, kita mau kusuk ke Langsa ke rumah si Mas Jamu. Udah terkenal kali di daerah Matang Selimeng. Sakit apa aja insya Allah dengan izin Allah bisa sembuh. Walaupun nggak sembuh total bisa kurang daripada sebelumnya ya kan. Karena ngerti juga kita berobat nih ada cocoknya juga. Kalau saya sendiri cocok kali sama dia karena saya punya penyakit lambung, asam lambung. Kalau tes obat lain tuh kadang nggak pas sama kita. Ada ya yang gatal lah, ada aja lah nggak pas, sakit kepala lah. Kok udah minum obat dia tenang gitu. Tapi itu mungkin karena cocok tadi jodoh ya kan. Terus dia kusuk sama dia tuh nggak mahal guys. Cuman kita bawa gula sekilo sama aqua sedang atau aqua besar boleh juga. Aqua botol ya. Kecuali kita mau ambil obat dia, kok ambil obat dia baru kita bayar sesuai tarif ya kan. Obat lambung sekarang sebungkus 200.000. Ini bisa dibeli setengah 100.000. Saya biasanya beli setengah aja. Habis itu dia bisa kita tanya apa-apa aja guys. Bisa ada barang hilang, tapi sama si masnya ya. Barang hilang atau apa ya kan. Anak saudara nggak pulang-pulang, bisa kita tanya apa masih hidup apa enggak. Memang banyak kelebihan si mas nih, memang udah terkenal lah. Facebooknya Budi Mas. Obat stroke, banyak penderita stroke yang berobat sama dia. Masuk makcik saya kan, ada juga tuh yang kena stroke berobat sama dia. Katanya banyak kurangnya. Insya Allah lah guys. Tapi cocok-cocokan juga. Bisa rekomen kali untuk si mas nih. Karena saya ada berapa setahun udah lebih lah. Lupa dan saya nggak kayak gini guys. Kurus skin. Tapi sekarang ya insya Allah macam Francesco Totti. Oke guys, kita tunggu dulu si Robert. Lama kali bunda ya kan. Bisa bikin YouTube dulu. Nih guys, Bed Hyundai. Itu Langsa nih. Nih guys. Bed Hyundai. Masih sanggup narik kereta?
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Halo guys, ini Robert lagi dieksekusi oleh Surono, Bapak Surono. Jadi si Robert didiagnosis sakit asam lambung, lambung sama kolesterol. Yang ngantri sekitar 20.000 orang.
Feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned this stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em. Done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my poems. Been around it, now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now, I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down, a bus down. I'm on my way up, going up now, and I ain't never gonna touch down, touchdown. I ain't never gonna touch down. No, I ain't never gonna touch down.
Si Robert macam Bang Tikam dulu kurusnya. Semoga
dimurahkan rezeki, diberikan kesehatan, panjangkan umur, yang berkah.
Can't turn it off, late nights that I'm turning up. Hate life, then I learn to love. Down and out, now I'm way above. I always knew I had it, now I'm living out my dreams. Treat that money like an addict, it's a habit, I'm a fiend. Feeling that rush, rocket ready to launch. Hands up, ready and gone, been waiting too long. Trust on plenty, that's wrong. Old me's dead and that's gone, thank God I'm headstrong. I don't wanna wake up in a doubt that I show them everything I'm about. I ain't never going out, I ain't never getting for no clout. Now I'm sitting pretty on the cloud, my mind's still crap.
I'm up now 20,000 on a bus down, I'm on my way up, going up now, and I ain't never gonna touch down, and I ain't never gonna.
Udah siap nih untuk si Robert. Oh Robert, musuhnya dah. Kita ketawain ya. Semoga sembuh lah. Doakan perjalanan aman sampai ke Kuala Simpang ya. Udah dua guys, baterai udah mau habis. See you next time.